Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafzan bin Hashim. I am from class As1161C1. Today, I want to talk about formation of fire. And this is the topic what I want to talk about. Formation of fire. Fire. Fire occurs whenever combustible fuel in the presence of oxygen at an extremely high temperature become gas. Flame are the visual indicator of the heated gas. Fire can also occur from lower temperature source. Over time, combustible materials such as smoldering embers can reach their ignition temperature. And this is the fire triangle. Fire triangle is the element of fire, the element that combine to be a flame. The three main elements is oxygen, heat, and fuel. Fire triangle. Fire cannot occur without an ignition source, fuel, and an oxidizing atmosphere, usually air. The three elements that comprise what is called the fire triangle. The fire triangle is a simple way of understanding the element of fire. The side of triangle represent the independent ingredient needed for fire: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Heat. Heat is a source is responsible for the initial ignition of fire and also needed to maintain the fire and enable it to spread. Heat allows fire to spread by drying out and preheating nearby fuel and warming surrounding air. Second, fuel. Fuel is any kind of combustible material. It is characterized by its moisture, content, size, shape, quantity, and the arrangement in which is spread over the landscape. The moisture content determines how easily it will burn. And lastly, oxygen. Air contains 21% of oxygen, and most fire require at least 16% oxygen content to burn. Oxygen supports the chemical process that occurs during fire. When fuel burns, it reacts with oxygen from the surrounding air, releasing heat and generating combustion products such as gases, smoke, and embers. This process is known as oxidation. Fire also have a class. They have four class: Class A, B, C, and D. Class A: combustibles such as paper, wood, cloth, rubber, and many plastic. Class B: burning of liquid fuel like oil-based paint, grease, solvent, oil, and gasoline. Class C: electrical origin such as fuse box, electric box, and wiring. And lastly, Class D: combustible metal such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. In this video, I will show how combustion can be produced. Now, I will show the tools that will be used. Okay, first of all, I have the lighter and I have a tissue. Okay, in this lighter, we have a liquid that will produce heat. This is the fire that will produce heat. Okay, next, in this surrounding area, we have an oxygen. So, when the liquid in this lighter and oxygen combine, it will produce fire. Now, I will show how the fire can be produced. This is heat and fuel. Now, the fire has been produced and burning process has taken place. Now, I will show what would happen if I only had two elements needed to produce the combustion process. In this video, I will not use any oxygen. Now, we will start.
the fire goes out by itself because there is no oxygen in it. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.